We won, you guys. Hello friends, I hope you all are well. I'm back at it again with the Mamey Sapote smoothie. This time I purchased my Mamey from Fruits and Cahoots, not Publix. You know, I tried it from Publix twice. See, it's not the bright color. It's not. I'm just gonna try it because what the hell, right? The color was not that vibrant red that I've been so eager to see on my own. I realized maybe I was looking more forward to the color than the actual fruit. I'm just gonna go ahead and add it to a smoothie because apparently I'm not gonna get that bright color that I want. So here we go. So let's cut this Mamey. I'm nervous, I'm so nervous. Oh, so nervous. Okay, we gotta just find out. I was like, it's hella ripe. Look how ripe it is, y'all. Look at that. Look how ripe, like look. You'll see that? Oh yeah. I broke the skin a bit and, ooh, it's it, look. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, board. Showtime. Oh my goodness. Holy guacamole. Oh, we won, you guys. My mouth is salivating. Oh my goodness. Ooh. I don't mind it. Y'all. The excitement of my life right now. Y'all. The other Mamey Sapotes, they don't count. They don't count. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Can I make it to the smoothie? Look. No espresso. I don't want to put anything else in here. Like, oh my God, I'm about to eat this whole thing. Look at that. Like, y'all see that? It's so creamy. Okay. Oh. All right, so this smoothie is gonna be a Mamey Sapote, Namois banana, and pumpkin oat smoothie. Let's see. I think last time I made this, I used mangoes and the mango were really good. Okay, this is the Namois. I know the smell of the Namois bananas compared to the regular bananas because the Namois bananas, they smell like apple. Like, oof, really delicious too. So let me get these out. Yeah, the top ones are Namois as well. So let me get those. And I'll add like a regular banana too. Put these bad boys back in here. Like, it's so freaking red. Look at that. It's wild. I can't get over this. It tastes like pie. I think I want a little, wait a minute. Pumpkin pie. Let's try a little cinnamon first. A little pumpkin pie. Baby! This is so good. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Hey, Julian.
Hey. She wanted. Hey.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. You want to try it? Can you try this? Try first.
I don't want. Okay.
Because I need you to tell me which is better.
Let me
Like-
clean myself, guys.
I don't know if I'm just hyped that this is this color because
Not a Mamey. The Mamey's like orange, but it tastes like dilly.
I'm gonna have to ask them what a dilly is. Did that take over?
Okay, thank you.
You're
I was like, it tastes like pumpkin.
yeah.
Yeah, it's like pumpkin spice. I don't really taste.
I'm gonna have more of that.
And I think that has a distinct flavor.
Okay. Thank you.
But yeah, that tastes like dilly. Okay.
Dilly. You too? What's dilly?
Oh,
Oh shit, you're on the phone. I'm sorry.
it's okay.
I did not peep. Ooh, here's the seed. It looks like a snail. Like right there. I wonder if I can do something with this. I don't know what this part is. You see that? Oh, see that? Looks like, you know that part on the chicken that is just not cute? And that's what it looks like, so. Look at her. Time to board. Time to board. Proud of you, Jazzy baby. Yeah. Y'all know that LeBron move? Alrighty friends, I'm proud to say the third round. Oh, you know what? Third time's a charm. Third time's a charm for the Mamey Sapote smoothie. Thank you so much, Fruits and Cahoots. It was perfection, perfection indeed. So you guys, the first two tries, that doesn't count. That other video, that doesn't count at all. Only pay attention to this video. This one definitely tastes much more sweeter and rich and creamy compared to the ones I purchased from Publix a few months ago. So I definitely have to slide by Fruits and Cahoots again this weekend. I need about 4 more of those, and I just want to freeze them so I can have them available whenever I want them because this is so tasty. Adding the pumpkin oat milk, it did overpower it a bit, but once I added more Mamey, it was perfect. Perfect indeed, but I also love pumpkin, so I don't know. Is this our smoothie for the fall? I don't know. You guys tell me. Ciao!